It's Monday, my most awesome math students. We are going to be doing some again money math this week. So, welcome. We are in our third week of remote distance learning. I cannot believe it. If you would have let me know even last year that I'd be doing this, I would go, no way. But here we are. I think I'm a little bit in the twilight zone. If we were at school, we would have to go on a detour on what it means to be in the twilight zone. But since we're not there, we're going to have to just push on with money math. So the first thing you're going to do this week, start off today, is IXL, 15 minutes. It is going to make you a better math student. The second thing that we're going to do today is talk about things that are refrigerated and not refrigerated. And you're going to do a quiz. So you're going to follow the form, the link, and you're going to do the quiz. But I'm going to talk a little bit about what does it mean to be refrigerated. So one of the items that you know for sure has to be refrigerated is milk. You know that that's the area in the store that is in the far back. They want you to go back there and go through all of the different parts to see if there's other things that you may need to buy. Also in that area, you're going to find yogurt and you're going to find cheese. These are things that must be refrigerated. So as soon as you get home, you take them out and put them in the refrigerator. Then there's other things that people like the flavor of when they are refrigerated. So something like tomatoes, and for me, definitely my fizzy pop. It doesn't need to be refrigerated, but the taste is better when it is refrigerated. So those are not necessarily things that are refrigerated, but taste better when they're refrigerated. Then the next type of item is something like our peanut butter. And for this one in particular, it's the natural peanut butter. Once it is opened, it needs to be put in the refrigerator. Other items like that are mayonnaise. Things that once you crack the seal, you need to have them refrigerated. And then the last one are things that just do not need to be refrigerated at all. Some people say they put them in their pantry. Some people say they put them in the cupboard. And those are things like, canned tomatoes and coffee. So those are things that don't need to be. There's one other section which we're not talking about today, which is the freezer, and we'll get to it. But today we're just looking at refrigerated and not refrigerated. And when you do the quiz, these are things that must be refrigerated or are not refrigerated. The third thing that we're going to do today is we're going to continue to look at that Flip app. And I want you to go through, and as you're choosing items today, I want you to think about things that are going to help your family. So when you're choosing the stores, choose the stores that you would use. So if it was me, I would do No Frills, Metro, Supercenter, and Sobeys. Those would be the stores that I would look at. So I want to look at things that I know I am going to use and I am going to find. So hopefully you can be helpful to the family. Okay, so this is the end. This is all there is for today. Tomorrow, remember, we are having a class meeting at 12 o'clock. I will send you the link. For those of you who wanted me to use Zoom, there was a couple of people. We have just been given instruction that we are still to continue to use Google Meets. So I'm sorry about that. We're going to do our best, see what we can do. Have a super awesome day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.